Yo, what's up guys? It's Aaron from How To's by Bros. In this video, I just wanted to talk about what advice would I tell my younger self, let's say 15-year-old self. So what I would tell my 15-year-old self is people do not care about what you're doing and what don't. There's this quote, and I'll just say the quote. When you're 20, you care what other people think. When you're 40, you don't care what other people think. And then when you're 60, you realize they weren't even thinking about you in the first place. And that is what I would tell my 15-year-old self, first of all. And also that God is in control. He loves you and he's with you. Those are three things I would tell my 15-year-old self. Because I've been through a lot of spiritual warfare, and those three things kept me at peace and not fearful. Because the enemy, what he's going to try to do, obviously, he's going to try to, make you fall into sin, obviously, and everything else. But if you're really, but a lot of times he'll try to make you be fearful, and especially when you're going through some spiritual warfare. So realize that God is in control. He loves you and he's with you. And also realize that nobody really cares about, nobody's really thinking about you. Don't even care about what other people think. Just be interested in other people and just talk with other people, and don't even think about yourself. Unless they obviously ask you a question you can share, obviously, but people really, care about themselves. People love talking about themselves. So ask questions about other people, and that's how you're going to connect with other people. God bless. Have a great day.